To use your S Pen to translate a sentence on the screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the screen that displays the sentence you like to translate. Remove your S Pen. On the Air command menu, tap Translate. If needed, you can change the source and target languages. As the example, we will set the source language to French and the target language to English. Here you can see a square with the icon. In the translation bar, tap the icon so that it will change to a square with some line icon. When this icon is displayed, it means that your phone will translate a sentence where your S Pen is hovering at. To start translating, hover your S Pen above the desired sentence. As you can see, the translation for the highlighted sentence is displayed on the pop-up. You can tap the play button to read the highlighted sentence in the short language aloud.
J'ai reçu un cadeau de chacune de mes nièces. J'ai reçu un cadeau de chacune de mes nièces.
Or you can tap the copy icon to copy the translation for the highlighted sentence to the clipboard so you can use it in another app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.